Hello everyone. This time I will talk about BBMA Extreme. According to the rules, the BBMA setup consists of Extreme, TPW, MHV, CSA and Entry. This time I will focus on discussing Extreme. Extreme is an early signal of a reversal or signs of the end of a trend. There are valid and invalid extremes. Because sometimes after the extreme, the market does not reverse direction but continues the trend and becomes momentum. Therefore, we must know which extreme is valid and extreme is invalid. The following are valid extreme characteristics. The exit of MA 5/10 low or high from top BB or low BB. If extreme sell, then MA 5/10 high comes out of top BB, and vice versa. There is a reversal candle that closes inside the BB or at the 5/10 of a mega ampere. If all of the above characteristics are met, then the extreme is declared valid. But if it is not met, then the extreme is invalid. There is a possibility that the MA 5/10 high or low will come out when the momentum occurs, and finally the market will resume its trend. Then, is it possible to enter a position at extreme times? Because this is only an initial signal, it is recommended not to enter a position because the risk is very high. But if we are desperate to enter a position, it is recommended to do TP at the opposite 5/10 of a mega ampere. This is what is called the mandatory TP (TPW). It should be remembered that this mandatory TP must not be violated, because usually when it touches the mandatory TP, the market drops back to form MHV. Thanks for watching. See you later.